Good evening, all. My name is Lipsa. After few demands from my friend's side, I'm going to say you about network marketing, which is my second episode. Before going to say this, I want to say you. I hope everyone is in home with their families. Stay happy home. Stay safe. Okay. Then coming to this topic, what is network marketing? Why it is needed? Why it is important? What does it mean? And the complete knowledge I'll give you different between this. So network marketing is very powerful industry, and in India network market industry is very much and famous. I'll tell you how why it is. Before starting this, I want to give you a short example. This one life cycle of a human. So this is what the child is, this is what the college life, this is what the adult is, and this is what the older is. So this 20 to 30 and 30 to 50 total 20 to 50 that adult is very much important in your life, because in this adult age you have to save money for you, for your child, for your family, for everyone. This is the most important life, the 20 to 50 years. After that you will be older age. So if you're going to the regular basic job, then up to retirement you have to spend. As per the Indian government, 62 to 62 year is the retirement age. Then that means after older also you have to going to office. If it is in network marketing, you give your 5 to 10 year, then it will be very good for you. You can more income, you can save, and you can make your life secure at older age. What I can say you. This is what a short example of human life what I gave you. Then coming to the topic, main reason, current situation in network marketing. Globally, economic GDP growth is down, never like before. You can imagine last 2 months, everyone is fear about their jobs. Everyone is fear about their salary boycotts. And only this coronavirus impacted Indian economy along with global economy. Just think, China like developed company, if last from October to till now more than 6 months, if it's not able to stable, then what about India? Can you imagine? So it's not I am giving you fear. It's like I'm giving you two facts which you have to think. Really need to think this time. So coming to the topic, unemployment is already more in our country. After coronavirus impact, the survey said you can check in CNBC, many news channel in Google, you can search it. Okay, coronavirus job losses could be total 47 million. Unemployment rate may hit 32% to 40% estimate across the global. Can you imagine across the global 47 million mean in India only 1 to 2 million jobs are going in risks, and there will be in job loss. This is not telling by me. This is telling by survey. You can check in news site. This is the serious thing now. You have to think about this. It really does matter for everyone who does not want to do the job regular payment, because everyone is dependent on their EMIs. There's something responsibility. If suddenly stop, then what will happen? That pain everyone's know. Then second thing, jobless pay cuts worries India's most coronavirus time. Obviously every institution want revenue. If it is not happen, what will happen? Will happen. So this lockdown has changed people's lifestyle. All the people's lifestyle drastically. And everything is restricted. Everyone is now concerned about their uncertainty in jobs. Everyone is panic. Everyone is like now in tensions and current income part things. Everyone is in mind. So only one industries which is never in loss, any type of situation. So I'll tell you what are those industries which is in loss, whatever the industries which is in green. So let me talk about the industries in red zone on safe life, which is tourism industry. Many people love travel. They do travels across the world, across the India, They do share their experience. The travel guiders are there, travel companies are there, travel bookings are there. That's all lost. Auto industry, vehicles industries, they brought their machines and everything, manufactures everything out of India, import and export. That is stopped. Pharmaceutical industries, textile industries, finance marketers, it like bank and any financial institution. E-commerce emerges, Amazon, Flipkart stopped to their dealing. Agriculture sector, our farmers cannot go out to do the farming. They cannot also invest time in farming. Also their old production has been not able to sell. If you're going out, every product prices are very high because of this situation. The most of the like import and export, delivery industries, hotel and restaurant, small industries, local shops, many banks, stock marketing, trading, IT sector, every jobs are in risks. I'll tell you why. There is no import and export within the city, outside of India. Is everything stopped. Delivery industry, apart from SSL, there is no delivery happening, so it is also risks. Hotel and restaurant, can you imagine hotel management sector? As for government, next 6 months they are not able to open their hotel and resort due to this time. How much loss in that can you imagine? Small industries, daily payers, local shops, they depend upon their daily selling. That is also impacted. Many banks, financial institutions, there is no revenue, no sales. Stock marketing and trading is coming down, never it is increasing. You might think I will buy this in down and later I will sell in good value. It will not happening because this issue will going on next 1 year or 1.5 year, damns you. IT sectors, there is many projects, 70% projects from outside in India, major IT companies. So the foreigners also facing the same issue. Offices are shut down, foreign projects are going on. There is from starting from your home A to Z, everything, everywhere there is a loss. What more you want to know? Examples in this. Then talking about green zone industries like online business, online coaching, online training, online teaching, digital marketing, network marketing. These all are in safer side. Can you imagine in terms of coaching and training? Now, in my son, who is in LKG, thinking about nursery, they are going to do classes in online. Is this happen in your life? Never. Like this coronavirus changed our lifestyle, technology like this. So apart from all this network marketing investing, everything online, getting business revenue, income high in this network marketing industry. They are giving, as for the survey, they are giving most revenues in last quarters very well, last year's very well. Current situation, you don't have any choice, you have to stay home and do income, which is passive income, which is through network marketing is the best. I'll show you what is the difference between. You might think my father has business, my grandfather has business, I can start this, I can do this. I'll give you difference between clear vision between business, job and network marketing. There is the same time for all these three. In business, traditional business, what you have to do, investment, time, self-worth, risks and experience. How in it is traditional business, I will tell you. In traditional business, you should have a fund, you should have a capitals, you should have a fund, you should have a shop, you should have a rental, you should have a rental permit, bills, everything. You have to travel for the permits, you have to have regular customers, you have to do sell every day. Otherwise, if you're doing a big investment, there will be obviously low income in, that is the risk. So coming to the traditional business, also I'll tell you, investment, time, self-worth, risks and experience need. In job, there will be no investment, but you need a particular time fixed for 10 to 12 hours. You are not a boss, you are having different one boss, you have to go as for your boss. Your job might be in risks, any cost of time, and you need a proper experience. Without experience in job, there is no stability. But coming to the network marketing, there is no investment, there is no time. Time is free for you. Entire day you are in home, to work from home, you can give quality time to your family. And there is no boss, you are only your boss. No risks, no experience. Can you imagine how good it is? The same pain you are giving here and here, how don't you giving here? So one question I might ask you, which is better, network marketing or job? Many people like job because it's a prestigious, everyone will get respect on that. But at least end of the day, money matter. If you get more money here, everybody is matter for you. Yes, money is not everything, but you just think if you don't have money and if you want to do something you cannot do, then nobody will going to ask you anything. If you have money, you are doing this thing, everybody will respect you now in lifestyle. I'm not talking money is everything. Yeah, of course money is not everything, but for our lifestyle, for our sake, we need money in our day-to-day life, right? Then I will compromise the job and network marketing. In job, your boss will decide your increase in your payment. You have a limited income potential and linear income. Like once you paid, you have to distribute. This is for EMI, this is for my child education, this is for my family, this is for my daily uses. You have to segregate these things. And until you are going to office, you are getting paid. If you stop working, then stop getting paid. And there is a minimal personal growth. Like every year you will not get promotion. Every year there is not surety of the increase of money. Just think this year anybody is hoping for the good increment, but what will happen in the sudden in the financial year? No increment. I hope many companies will not know increment. Even big companies like TCS and other companies, they declare they will not pay off, they will not lay off, but they will not do any increment this year. I hear from my friends, but you can just check, it is really truth. And if you quit your job, then you stop getting paid. You go to job site frequently for changing the job, and your company and business, they don't want you. They want you, like they want to increment business through you. Work for 30 years up to retirement. Vacation whenever you want, you can do. You have to pre-plan. You have to segregate as your money, and sometimes you have to take 6 days in vacation. But in coming to network marketing, which is true fact, like there is be no bosses for you, unlimited income potential, no linear income. Stop working, still you will get paid if your network is active. You will get a personal development. You will get a responsibility of your team. You will get a recognition. If you quit also, still your team is there, you will get paid. Most important thing, you are doing work from home. You are giving quality time your family, quality time your child. You are eating food with your family. It's a very memorous things. Total time of freedom. You can compromise 30 year to 5 to 10 year of retirement. Vacation, if you have money, whenever you want, you can do it. Just think, it is not wrong, it is true. And if you want, does your boss want to job that your job should be rich or his business should be rich? But in network marketing, want you to be rich, not their business. Obviously, he will rich mean their business will rich. Second thing, as an employee, you are doing regular income, pay, holidays, pension fund, other benefit. Now government employee pension funds have been gone, so there is no meaning of pension funds. Is your job providing you, fulfilling your future dream? Like I want a car, I want a I want a car, I want a home, I want a proper education to my child. You might plan for this, but it is takes more time to do this. You can drop one plan to doing another plan. Lifetime you have to give EMIs and loans. So this is not fulfilling in your job. Then this is what I have already told you. Network marketing, you need only membership, which is free. You don't need shop rental permit bills. You do it online. Customers you don't need, there is a system, you can do it. Sales you don't need, 100% sales commission, 100% bonus, 100% monthly income, cash reward, everything will get it. Small investor, big income. I can't say it's an investment. Why? I will tell you. It's not an investment. Why? I'll tell you why it is not an investment. Yes, network marketing is not about the sell. It's about a financial freedom. It's about your understanding between you and your service and target audience towards your team. So build people, they will build your business. If you spend 2,000 to 3,000 is not more amount compared to you invest in business. and at least you are getting some product in that, you are not in loss. But if you invest 50 or 1 lakh in business, you are not sure it will be get gain or not. It might be in risks, mean all money will come. So this is the law of multi-level marketing economic. Build people, they will build the business. Build people, they will build your business. Network marketing is not about sales, it's the understanding between you and your team solving their target audience. So if you're doing the work, suppose this is your office, suppose I am your boss and my favorite is other person, not you. I can kick you, I can give a chance to other person to go above. This is not good, right? Like favoritism. See, in network marketing, if you help each other, your team will grow and you are also growing. So when you are zero, you can become hero in network marketing. Okay, so how network marketing works? Improve yourself below skills. Most important 3 things in network marketing is lead generation, recruiting, building management. Lead generation means you have to generate your new customers, new clients, new leads. You have to recruit more customers, more teams, more business partners to your network. You have to build your network. Once you build your network, go by the training, various method, various motivating video, follow your uplines, manage your recruits, manage the team. If you follow these 3 steps, you definitely get success in this. Then the very good, it does not matter what is your background. Anybody can do this. If you have a proper dream, proper plan, you definitely do this. If your actions inspire others to dream more, learn more, do more and become more, you are become a perfect leader in network marketing. You just need some books of reading, getting the knowledge. You just need social media like Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram to follow your lifestyle, follow your business. You just be a broad and open-minded. You have more time, you have to utilize in a proper way. Learn yourself, make a learning plan, make a plan, and do more self-education. How will get success? Do proper plan, manage your team. Definitely you will be success one day. I can say this. This is just not a joke. This is a true fact. Many people success. I'll see the examples. You know Warren Buffett. I hope many of not heard, but if you heard also good. If not heard, you can search in Google. He is a billionaire, one of the world's biggest investor. How he became? He believed in the systems of network marketing. He does believe in the system of network marketing. He has now invested 3 network marketing companies already. He is now invested in network marketing companies only. So, the second thing I love, the richest people in the world look for build the networks. Everyone else looking for the job. See, if you are working in a company, there might be a good networks of customer, good network relationship of customer. That is called network. Without network, you cannot success. Even it is job also. I'll give examples like everyone who wants to be an entrepreneur should be take a look at an active network marketing business. Some of the biggest Fortune 500 companies, such like example Citibank, Avon, Levi's and Smith Barney, distribute their products through a network marketing direct sales system to getting more revenue. It's true. You can check the review. I just want to give you last things like you are ready to work for a job for 40 years, but if you are going through the network marketing for 3 to 4 years not getting success, you are still saying that hey, this is fake, this is not true. It's amazing how people think 4 years is a long time to success in the business. First thing, you are working the same chin system for the 40 years. It's really amazing. You give 100% 4 years. Just compare now with the 40 you are. Definitely get relief. I'll tell definitely get relief. And the end of the day, I will say you the end of facts. You have 15 contact in your contact list, 2000 plus friends in your Facebook. You have many college, schools and different companies friends. but you love to roaming a long drive with friends. Every time you're speaking with your friends, but you cannot make a active network of 50 people, those who have many contacts of peoples. You just need to convince the people, you just have to speak with the people, you just need to tell about the companies. This is not happening with your friends. Then what is the meaning of that 2000 of friends? This is valueless. You are doing this for their incomes, they are also getting benefit in this. India's population is million. You cannot make a network of hundreds. This is the most easiest job in the world, convincing people, talking with people and giving them earning. It's called empowerment. If you not do this, then forget about your jobs and all. This is the most easiest job, convince the people. Just think, I have 2000 friends in Facebook, but I cannot make a network of 50. It's really very harsh to listening this thing, but it is the true facts. I can say the true fact. The last session, I can say you need to invest in below things to improve yourself. Like you should have a proper mindset. Your dreams should be like, I can complete these things in this period between. Your dreams should be clear, vision should be clear. You have always positivity. Like people, when you grow, people will, what they will do, they will kick you, they will pull your leg to getting down, they will tell many negativity surrounding you, but you have to always positive things. Your thinking style should be same. You have to always open-minded, broad-minded. Believe in the system, follow your leaders, follow your offlines. My last thing, believe yourself. Just an example I'm telling you, when trees grow up, when he is giving the fruits, you are keeping the stones and taking that fruits. When you grow up, that time people will keeping the stones, they will take everything from you. But when the tree is little, it's not grow, that time people will not come and do anything. So this is what the example I said you related network marketing. I hope everyone is like this thing. This is my why I am telling you this four Q2 I like it most. It's a very valuable course Q2. You can go one by one line, then you will definitely understand his meaning. So I hope now everyone clear about their why network marketing important now situation. So next course I will say you how you are growing network marketing. So I hope it's clear vision. There is no doubt in this. Any doubt you can comment me, ping me, you can ask me, those who are having the mobile numbers. Okay, thank you, stay safe, bye bye.